In this video, I'm going to discuss the best AI music generator apps as well as the free options that you can use. So here, let's see the list. As you can see on this article, you can see right here the options for AI music generator. First, we have Soundverse AI. You can just input right here the prompt, then make AI or prompt AI to create a song or music based on it. So it's actually a royalty-free instrumental creation from text prompts. It's good for AI music generation, and you can use this as song generator for full vocals and AI lyrics writer. Also use Mubert. It's best for continuous generative background music. It has a chill, techno or focus vibe. And we also have SoundDraw. It allows creators to adjust parts of the generated composition, like choosing intro, verse, and chorus section. You can see comparison insights about this. Now you can also use AIVA. So this is best for creating orchestral type or style arrangements. It free plan offers limited generation credits, however, but you can still use it to produce personalized soundtracks. Last but not least, we have Boomy. It simplifies music creation for first-time users. So that's all there is to do, and I hope this video helped you out.